first thing I like to do is create a checklist. I'm a big checklist person. So I'm going into Canva for that. And you just type in checklist. And once you do that, you could scroll down and see the type of checklists that are available. I prefer something like this just because it's spaced out to the point. Boom, baby. This is what we need. But I want it purple. I don't really like this blue. So let's do like a purple, but like not that purple, but like a light purple. The drama. Yes, perfect. Okay. And we can change the title. Zodiac Collection Rebrand Checklist. Okay. And then get it, girl, get it. Right? So here's the thing. If you're watching this video right now, and you haven't watched any other videos on my channel, go back. I'll put the link right here, right now, and watch a video about why I throw in my crystals. Boom, baby. So from there, you need to identify the fact that I am a Christian and I serve God. And if you don't, it's cool. I won't judge you. But if you judge me, go away. You don't have to be here. I didn't put a gun to your head and say subscribe. But if you would like to subscribe, hey girl, hey, you can stay, girl, stay. I don't care about your religion. Just let you know my opinion. But anyways, back to reality. We're rebranding this into a more of a motivational aspect, okay? So I want to make affirmation candles, okay? So with that, my first step would be to create new business, new labels. And then after I create those labels, print them and apply them. Take product photos. Optimize them with Photoshop. If I didn't put that in there, I wasn't going to do it. I was for sure. I get so excited after I take the picture. I don't even want to edit it because editing takes an hour, but I'm forcing myself to edit them. And after we take those photos and edit them photos, we're going to upload to website. And then after we upload them to the website, we're going to send out marketing email. And then make marketing TikTok. Make marketing IG reel. Then what's next? Update Etsy fair. Email influencers for a giveaway. Okay, so it's so much easier to write this down than actually execute it. But yeah, so I have a lot of work to do. Just as it relates to what I did. So I made Zodiac candles, and you can find that in my Canva here under projects. So I sure did make a Zodiac candle collection. Your girl made money too. But it's cool because it's a new dawn, it's a new light, and I'm feeling good. So the business plan is in here. I just got to find it. It's long ago. I did this in October, 6 months ago. So just knew this was going to be it for me. I don't know. Sometimes I just do things. He'll turn your pain into rest right in front of your eyes. Fun fact, you guys, I have a wholesale partnership with this huge brand. I'm trying to act chill about it, but I'll talk to them tomorrow at 6 p.m., but it's not a brand. It's a commercial company. You know how you be seeing like big commercial companies? That's what it is. So pray for me, y'all. And plus, thank y'all for praying for me anyway. I feel like everybody who prayed for me is the reason why all these beautiful things keep happening to me. So I just want to thank y'all for that. Okay, so I sure did. I had the healing collection. Sure did. Okay, so we are going to change these candles, these healing candles that smell like jasmine, amber, peach, blossom, and we're going to call it enough. Okay, and I want to create the label with you guys right now. I have the label in my brain, so I'm just going to put it in real life. So you create a design, custom size, inches. It's a clear label 3x3, and it's going to be black font. So it's like Times New Roman. This is in my head. This is what I have in my head. All right, this is what I would say is the label. It looks so lit. As much as required, a quantity that satisfies what is necessary or desirable. She believed she was enough, so she didn't settle for less. All right, I'm just going to print it so I can see how it looks. All right, let's just do that, two more times, two different labels, two different definitions. I'm going to